Children of God, among the earliest proofs of the resurrection shared by the first Christians was the empty tomb. It was simple yet powerful evidence that something extraordinary had taken place. The body of Jesus was no longer there, and that fact demanded an explanation. For believers, it became a sign of victory over death. But for skeptics, it raised questions and doubts. Yet the empty tomb could not be easily dismissed because it was witnessed by many. The early Christians pointed to it as the starting point of their proclamation. It became the foundation of their faith and preaching. More than a physical absence, it pointed to a new presence. Jesus is risen.